Hi, I'm Dylan with the League of Women Voters of Texas. On November 4th, there will be an election covering several proposed changes to the Texas Constitution. Two amendments on the Texas ballot propose targeted property tax relief for specific homeowners. One would help surviving spouses of certain veterans, and the other would provide relief for homeowners whose homes are destroyed by fire. First, Proposition 7 would allow the legislature to exempt from property taxes the homes of surviving spouses of veterans who died from a condition related to their service. Currently, only spouses of veterans who are classified as fully disabled qualify to receive exemptions. This exemption could transfer to a new property, but only if the surviving spouse has not remarried. Supporters claim this change ensures fairer treatment of families of veterans whose service-related deaths didn't meet the narrow definition of disability. They also note it would affect a small number of people with minimal impact on state finances. Opponents, however, warn that expanding exemptions could reduce local revenue for schools and services, especially in areas with many veteran families. They also caution that targeted exemptions may shift the tax burden onto other homeowners. Another property tax exemption, Proposition 10, regards homes destroyed by fire. Proposition 10 would allow the legislature to exempt a home from property taxes if it was completely destroyed by fire. The exemption period and details would be determined in future legislation. Supporters assert this would fix a gap in current law, which doesn't account for disasters that happen after property appraisals are made. They argue it's only fair to reduce taxes when the value of the property has been wiped out. Opponents point out that the exemption only applies to completely destroyed homes, not those with significant damage. It also excludes other disasters unless the area is officially declared a disaster zone by the governor. Supporters of these measures say they offer a needed relief to people facing personal loss or tragedy. Opponents raise concerns about lost revenue and fairness to other taxpayers. Be sure to read your ballot, weigh the arguments, and make your voice heard on Election Day, and visit vote411.org for more information.